Trust Wallet versus Coindcx, which is better? Today, we're comparing two major players in the crypto space, Trust Wallet and Coindcx. Both have their unique features, but which one is actually better for your crypto needs? Let's break it down. Trust Wallet is a decentralized, non-custodial wallet, meaning you control your private keys and funds. It supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin, as well as ERC20, BEP2, and BEP20 tokens. Trust Wallet's main selling point is its user-friendly interface and direct integration with decentralized applications, dApps, and decentralized finance, DeFi protocols. It also supports staking, allowing you to earn passive income by holding select assets. With Trust Wallet, security is solid, as you manage your own keys, and there's no central authority that can control or freeze your funds. It's perfect for those who value privacy and control over their assets and prefer to interact with DeFi platforms. On the other hand, Coindcx is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange with a full-fledged mobile app that allows you to trade over 200 cryptocurrencies, including fiat on-ramps. Coindcx is ideal for traders who want to access a wide range of features, from margin trading and staking to lending and savings products. Its liquidity is strong, making it a solid choice for those looking to trade large volumes or use advanced trading strategies. Coindcx also offers insurance on funds held in the exchange, adding an extra layer of security for those who want peace of mind. The platform is tailored more for active traders and investors who need access to trading pairs, charts, and real-time data. When it comes to security, Trust Wallet gives you complete control over your private keys, which is great for those who prioritize security and self-custody. Coindcx, being a centralized exchange, has robust security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, and insurance on deposits, but you're relying on Coindcx to protect your funds, which comes with inherent risks. In terms of ease of use, Trust Wallet is incredibly simple for anyone wanting a straightforward mobile wallet with staking capabilities. Coindcx, while easy to use for trading, can be a bit overwhelming for beginners due to its many features and trading tools. Conclusion: if you're a trader looking for a robust platform with low fees and a wide variety of coins and trading options, Coindcx is likely your best bet. But if you're looking for more control over your assets, prefer privacy, and want to engage with decentralized finance, Trust Wallet is the way to go. Ultimately, both platforms have their strengths. It all comes down to what you're looking for.